To create this design, you need to add a cylinder, and I will go with the 24 words. Then turn on the wireframe, then go to the edit mode, select these top and bottom faces and delete them. Then select everything and Shift Z and scale along the X and Y axis. Then add loop cuts like this. Then select these face loops and scale them along the X and Y axis. Then select this face loop and scale it down. Then select this bottom edge loop and scale it down. Then select this edge loop and double tap G for the edge slide. Then Ctrl B, add bevel on it. Add 4 to 5 segment bevel. Then select this edge loop and use the edge slide. Then select this edge loop and move it along the Z axis. Then select these edge loops and Ctrl B, add bevel on them. Then select these edge loops with Shift select and then right click, use the set floor. Then change the transform pivot point to 3D cursor. Then select these edge loops and scale them along the X and Y axis. So you will get this kind of design. Then select these words and merge them at the center. Then select this edge loop and dissolve it. Then select these words and merge them at the center like this. Then you can add loop cuts like this. Then add the subdivision modifier and shade smooth it. Now select this face loop and delete it. Select these faces and press P to make a separate object and then hide that object. Now select this object, go to the edit mode, select everything, change the transform pivot point to 3D cursor and rotate it into 45-degree angle and complete the circle like this. Then select everything and press M and merge Y distance. And then move it along the Z axis, take it on the floor. Then you need to add a solidify modifier and give the proper thickness. With the solidify modifier, we are getting overlap edges. So that's why we are going to remove these edges. After removing these edges, you need to adjust the thickness in the solidify modifier and then apply that solidify modifier. Then select these edge loops and Ctrl B, add bevel on them. Add a 2 segment bevel and shape factor should be 1. So you will get this kind of design. Then select this bottom edge loop and move it along the Z axis and adjust the scale. Then select this face loop and delete it. Now select this edge loop and press F to fill the gap. Select this edge loop and press F to fill the gap. Then select the edge loop and add a 2 segment bevel. Then use the insert operation. Then use the loop to circle option and then delete this face. Then select the edge loop and face grid fill. Adjust the offset at here. So you will get this kind of design which is looking really well. Now we will create a sharper edges. So that's why I'm going to select these faces and I will delete these faces. Then select these faces and press P to make a separate object. Now select these bottom faces and delete them. Then you can select these edge loops with the shift select and Ctrl B, add bevel on them. Then rotate it into 30-degree angle and then here adjust the position of the words with the edge slide. Then rotate it one more time and use the knife tool and create a straight cut like this. Then rotate it one more time and apply the rotation and then take the symmetry. Then add loop cuts at the bottom like this. Then select these words and merge them and try to reduce the topology at here like this. Select words, merge them at the center and then dissolve these edges. Same thing from the inner side. And then you can select everything, mesh symmetrize, take the symmetry. Now select everything and shift D to duplicate it and rotate it into 60-degree angle and complete the circle. And then select everything and merge by distance. Then select this edge loop and use the face grid fill on it and fill that gap. Then select these edge loops and dissolve them so you can get smooth form and proper curve. And there you go. In this way you can create this kind of design. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you like this tutorial, then hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye bye. So next video. Take care.